Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can invite friends to like a page on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be on Facebook and then go to the right top corner to your page. And when you're going to be here, you just want to scroll down below, and when you're going to scroll, you're going to see right here, invite friends to like the page, invite friends. And right here, you can simply choose who you want to invite and you just press send invite. So you can select all or just like only someone and you just send invite. And this is how you can simply invite friends to like a page. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.